Trends don't end randomly. They end when structure breaks. And almost no traders know how to trade that moment. Most traders wait for confirmation. By the time they see a reversal, the risk is already bad. I trade reversals differently. I wait for market structure to become invalid. In a healthy trend, certain levels are protected. When those levels break, the trend is no longer healthy. This is what I call the structural invalidation reversal. Earlier, you saw where normal traders would be entering. They don't know where to enter and we're an actual short. So we've zoomed out on the same price action. You can see that that strong low break led to no new highs being made. We only had lower highs from that moment on. This is why I came up with the structural invalidation reversal, the SIR model. This is one of the few reversal strategies I trust because it doesn't fight the trend. It waits for the trend to prove it's wrong. A strong low is the last low that led to a new higher high. So a low that then leads to a higher high. So once that area is broken, you are simply going to mark out the high, mark out the low, and then we're going to put a Fibonacci on those levels, which then is going to give us a Goldilocks zone between 70% and 80% retracement. This is where you're going to want to be entering in short. We will also go through long versions of this strategy as well. This gives you low risk, high reward entries, allowing you to easily get 4R and 3R trades. Now, here's where most people mess this up. On slides, this looks clean. On a live chart, it's way more deceptive. So I'm going to pull up real charts and show you exactly what qualifies and what looks right but fails. All right, guys. So here I am on NASDAQ. This is the NASDAQ chart. I'm currently have it on a 1 minute time frame, but like I said in the beginning of this video, this strategy works on guys any time frame. So we just had the setup here. I ended up getting a bad entry right when I pushed the button to enter into this retracement right here, which I'll break this all down. It flashed down and I didn't get in until right here. So I've had to sit through some drawdown here. I actually missed the best entry for this reversal here that's taking place. I want to go a little bit deeper so you guys can get a good understanding of this. Every time price makes a higher high, that is a strong low. We're just gonna go and find every strong low here. I think that's probably the best way to do it. So then we can go. So this becomes a strong low here because that high was then broken because we had a new higher high. And then it does it again right there. And so you see how these strong lows are being respected as it works its way up. And this trade that I have on here, it is a risk on trade. This is a pretty straight to funded account. So I just want you guys to know that it is risk on and it does matter. I don't teach in a demo environment. I really don't like to. I will if I have no other choice, but I really don't like to. So now we're getting to where the last strong low is actually broken here. So we have a clean break right there of the last strong low right here. So this low led to a break of that high, and that is the last low that led to a new break. So we have our last right here, this last higher high.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take off half of this trade here, and I'll break down exactly why I took this trade and how it is the same setup. So Perdia actually does have, they want you to trade 10 trading days. And I think there's some rules around a max profit per day, I believe. So I have to make $3,000 in 10 trading days, and I'm already at $1,000. I do want to showcase how powerful this strategy is. And we know that this is not likely to be the reversal that we're looking for. We know that we shouldn't really be trying to go long in this area on this retracement because this last strong high here stayed intact. But I'll break down this setup right here that led to this huge move up here in a second. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this. You guys will see that it goes lower here, most likely, at least down into 25,900. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut it because I want to be able to teach you guys. So we have the strong low broken. We then get that retracement up. So we're going to go from this high right there. We're going to put the fib on the high, and then we're going to put the fib on the low that broke the strong low. So we have the low right here, and then this was our strong low that's broken. So we would put the low of the Fibonacci there, and then we're going to drag it up. So let me go ahead and get it out. And let me show you guys the settings real quick. So the Fibonacci is right here on your tool set. It's the first one when you click the third row down. So you have the arrow, you have the line, then you have the 4 lines there. You would click that 4 lines and that brings up your fib. You go from the bottom up, you get it backwards, but I'll show you guys how you can change it. So my setup here is I have 50%, 70%, and 80%. I actually have a really good video on another channel that discusses the Fibonacci's in depth, but for right now, here are my settings. So 0.8 stands for 80, 0.5 stands for 50%, and 0.7 stands for 70%. You have to have the 0 and the 1 on to give you the low and the high. So if you have that habit of dragging your fib and it's always backwards, if you push reverse, yeah, it flips it for me. You can do that. So we have price come perfectly in touch into our 70% area there. So this is where we would enter in a short position. Stop goes above that high. First target would be the low, and then whatever strategy you trade. So in my strategy, I would target at least down to here in my strategy. If you guys want to learn more about my strategy, I trade live in Discord every day. So the minimum, this gives you a 2.5 hour trade. So that is the short version of this. And then we just had another beautiful example of this strategy. So as a continuation, it doesn't always have to be reversals. Every time you get a new low, put your fib on there and then look for 80%. And as long as it doesn't take out the strong high, you can enter there. In the last live stream I just did this morning, I caught 4 add-ons doing this. I entered in on the high similar to this one, and then every time it did this, I added on. Like right here, you had it. So it did it right there. This trade resulted in a really big trade if I had caught that all. I got the late entry as you guys saw, but it still counts. So right here, we already have multiple examples of this. Once it broke and came back up to here, you could trade that one. Then you have this one, which is way too deep. You could have traded it and put your stop there if you wanted to. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 examples so far of it working very well just in this current price action. We'll go do the time frames as well. All right, let's look at a couple of bullish examples because this does work both on bullish and bearish assets as well. And again, it works on any asset, guys, in any time frame. The time frame is irrelevant. It's not like ICT where you have to trade on a certain time frame for it to work. And then there goes price, as I talked about earlier. It's coming down into there. So now I've switched it to 3 minutes. Right here, you have a high that leads to a new low. And now we're just going to stay in a short mind frame as long as this is a high that led to a new low. This here is another pullback high that led to a new low. And then this high led to a new low there. Every time price makes a high and then makes a new low, once that new low is created and it's breaking and lows, making lower lows, every time it makes a new lower low, it's creating a new strong high. So you have a low. So each one of these is a lower low. Let me go ahead and mark those off so for you guys to take screenshots. I would take screenshots of this if I was you guys. I've already proved to you that it's impeccable, right? This is impeccable. I made it $1,000 in the account just to show you guys that it works. Earlier when I was trading this, I was really focused on the downside. And as price came down in here, hands are sweaty. I felt really anxiety filled about it as I was short from this high right here. I saw price come down and make this low. That feeling when you can feel like the trade's going wrong, right? I had the sweaty hands, the just a bad feeling that I knew was coming with the stop out. But I luckily had entered in on this retracement right here. So risk reward rise, I had been adding on all these retracements as well. So every time it had retraced,
and made a new strong high, I was adding back a contract and selling once it broke a new low. But as we got down here, after I had already made a lot of money, over $4,000, I was really getting nervous here because we had such a beautiful trend down and then price was starting to curl up and made that new lower low, but it didn't have any follow through. So I really was nervous. I ended up using a lower time frame area to get out, but I ended up giving back quite a few points. If we drop down, I ended up using this last strong here high here. So I actually gave back 36 points. I'll put the link to that live stream if you guys want to watch it. If you ever have that feeling in a trade, guys, like the story I just told you, it's all right, guys, because you can use market structure to help you identify when you should be wrong. So if you were short all the way down, like I was, you could have, in theory, flipped along once you finally got that retracement. So we have price. Let's go back to the 3 minute to where we had it. So we had price make that high here, right? And then it kind of grinds up. So at this point, you would just the low to that high that broke it there. Boom, high there, and then it does the perfect 70% retracement there. It's not a very deep one. So you typically 80% is better just in terms of risk to reward ratio wise. Let's say it had gone down 80 to the 80% retracement level and you had entered, you're then looking at a 4R trade. Big difference. So then it goes up, bam, there's your target hit. So that's a 4R trade. Let's look at some examples on some different time frames and some different assets. So this was in Q. Let's go to gold here. Absolutely gorgeous here. I couldn't ask for better examples. So let's go. Let's say you trade on the 15-minute. So what do you guys want? You guys want a bearish example or bullish? We'll go through. We'll do one bullish example here on gold here. Then we'll do a bearish one on a stock, or we'll look at a forex pair because the assets don't matter either. So here we have price breaking down. We have new lows being created. So we know every time that there's a new low that's created, it creates a strong high. So new low, new low. So then it's actually putting it in right now. That's funny. So then this would be your last strong high here. So we get a break of it there. We would then put our fib at the low, we hit high because that's your strong high right there. And then this would be our entry point. Because it's such a high time frame, probably produces a really nice trade here. So you're looking at about 2.7 R on that trade. But let's look at another time frame. Like I said, the time frame is irrelevant, guys. That's the beautiful thing about this. This is a strong low, right? Each new higher high made is a strong low. And you notice how none of these get broken. Whenever I put these on my chart, they're not being broken, right? Until right here, we get it broken. So then we would grab our fib from the high to the low there. And that one doesn't print there. It doesn't give you the opportunity. But whenever that happens, what I do is, let's say I start seeing new lower lows being created. So that low gets broken. That means I know that that's a strong high. This low gets broken there. So that means I know that this is now a strong high. I would then just put my fib here and look for the continuation play of that drop there. And then there you go. You have a beautiful setup there. Again, I haven't been able to identify an example that doesn't work because I did want to show you guys ones that don't work. Let's see if we can find one here that doesn't work. I'm having trouble finding even one example that doesn't work. Let's go to Euro UST. There we go. So right here you have strong low. And then this is your last strong low that gets broken right there. High to low. There's your 80% retracement. Stop goes above the high. 3.3R trade. Right here, right in front of us, you have a lower low broken. Take that last high to there. Boom. And then wha-bam. Another 4R trade. So now I've shown you so many different assets, right, guys? And I've broken down, showed you me trading it in a live market, which I even got a horrible entry on that last one on NASDAQ. It works on NASDAQ, it works on gold, it works on ES, it works on stocks, works on Forex, as you guys just saw. It works on literally every asset. And it just happened again right here. This is actually a really deep. This low here led to a new high. It got broken. Slap your fib up on there from low to high. let's say you entered there, you never were stocked out. It just went a little bit deeper than looking at a 4R trade. So a really high win rate strategy that delivers 4R is incredible. If you're interested in prop firm funding, which is what I do, I trade with prop firm companies and use their capital instead of my own. Check out my website, guys. It's verifiedfundingcompanies.com. If you come to the homepage here, you go to discounts. I have the best companies in the game with their best discounts. These companies you can actually trust because I guarantee their payouts. Think of what I'm offering here as a insurance policy to your funded trading path, because a lot of companies out there do fail and they do deny a lot of payouts. I've been guaranteeing payouts with companies for a long time. I have given payouts to people when companies have failed. So check out my website again. You can find the link in the description. If you want to trade with me, I do live trading just about every single day. And here's the thing, guys. You can join for free right now if you go to the link in the description. And every Tuesday, like I did today, today is Tuesday the 13th, I did a live stream that was 2 hours long. I allowed anybody to ask me any question they want, no gatekeeping, and I made $4,200 on this stream, as you can see right here. Very good Discord, so I do something unique. If you come into my Discord unprofitable and you become profitable as my student, I will then make the Discord free for you. So this keeps it as a community and not a new trader farm. So I'm going to put up some videos here in the right hand corner and left hand corner that I think will be helpful for you guys to add on to this as well. So I hope to see you in the Discord because you have no reason not to join. And I will see you guys in the charts. Peace out.